I'm going to show you three pink cocktails. These are good for a party if you're having a party in summer, like an afternoon party, maybe outdoors. It's great to have three pink cocktails. So I'll start with the first cocktail, which is going to be a strawberry margarita. So what I'll do is it's going to be in the blender because I'm using fresh strawberries here. I don't like to use any strawberry syrup or margarita mix. I'm just going to be using all the fresh ingredients. So to start, I'm going to put some fresh ice in the blender. And take enough ice, otherwise it's going to come out really thick. I'm going to be using fresh lime, so if it's a big lime, you only need half a lime in the margarita. I'm just going to squeeze half a lime, fresh lime juice. You don't have to measure it. If the lime is pretty big, use half a lime. If there's a small lime, then you can use the full lime. Once I put the half lime juice, I'm going to be putting tequila in there. So I'm taking Hornitos today. I'm going to be putting 1.5 ounce of Hornitos. There it goes. After that, I'm just going to be using triple sec. So 1 ounce of triple sec. There it goes. I will use a little bit of agave syrup. I have some organic agave syrup. Although strawberries actually already has a lot of sweetness, if you use too much of agave syrup, it's going to come out too sweet. So I'll just use a tinge of agave syrup in that. And then I'm just going to cut 1 full strawberry. And if you don't have the fresh strawberry, you can always use frozen strawberry. I'm just going to put in that. The good part of margarita is you can actually use margarita with any fruit base. You can put mangoes, you can put blueberry and a couple of other fruits you can try. I'm just going to blend it and it will come out as nice pink margarita. Make sure that you blend it really well because strawberry has seeds. I think it's done, so make sure it's blended well, and I'm just going to pour it in a glass here. And there is going to be your strawberry margarita. I'm just going to garnish with a slice of strawberry and a lime. There goes your strawberry. And I'm just going to use a lime wheel, which looks nice. Just a little cut here. And there you go. Strawberry margarita. The second drink that I'm going to be making today is the strawberry daiquiri. You can make plain daiquiri also, but I'm just using strawberry daiquiri. So I'm just going to use a cocktail shaker for this. I'm just going to cut 1 full strawberry, put it in the cocktail shaker, and I'm just using a 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. So you can either use simple syrup, or if you don't have a simple syrup, just use white sugar with a little bit of water, like half and half. So I'm just going to put 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, and then I'm just going to muddle this. So you can crush it really well. So what happens is the strawberry juices blend really well with the sugar syrup, and that taste will come in the cocktail. Now I'm going to use again half a lime in this. Fresh lime. Use half a lime, squeeze half a lime in this. There it goes. Pour a lot of ice into that, crushed ice. And then I'm gonna pour vodka. So take 2 ounces of vodka. So there goes 2 ounces of vodka. Now I'm gonna shake it like really well. Once you shake it, that's where the juices will all blend together. Okay, now I'm going to pour it. You can also use strainer for this in case you don't want the strawberry chunks to come in the drink. There you go. And again, I'm just going to garnish with a wheel of lime. So I'm just going to cut a lime, and I'm going to put a strawberry slice in there for garnishing. There you go. Okay, the third drink I'm going to be sharing today is Cosmopolitan. So I'm just going to put some crushed ice in the cocktail shaker. Again, I'm going to be using half a lime for this. Squeezing half a lime. 2 ounces of vodka in this. One ounce of triple sec. And I'm going to be using some cranberry juice here. So generally you can use 1 ounce of cranberry juice, but if you want the drink to be a little bit more sweeter, I'm just going to take 1.5 ounce of cranberry juice. I'm going to give it a good shake. Ready to pour. Just going to pour it into a cocktail glass here. There you go. Again, just a wheel of lime for garnish. There you go. Thank you.